Okay, guys. So, start tayo now. Item number 19. Yes, item number 19. So, item number 19, for any triangular number n, the integers 9n plus 1 and 25n plus 2 are both triangular numbers. So, dahil binanggit yung triangular number, we need to define it. So, ayun, sabi sa definition, a triangular number is a positive number that can be expressed as the product of two consecutive integers over 2, where k is a positive integers. So, yung k and k plus 1, these are consecutive integers. Kasi, so yung k, tapos yung k plus 1, so magkasunod yan. Pero tas may restriction tayo. Yung k natin is positive integers. So, yung k natin is 1, 2, 3, and so on. So, start tayo sa proof. So, let n be a triangular number. Then, by definition, m is equal to k times k plus 1 all over 2. Tapos yung n, guys, substitute ko lang siya dito. Actually, itong proof na to is very arithmetic. So, ma-FOIL method, addition of fractions, gano'n. Tapos factoring. Yeah, I recall the algebra, high school algebra. Kasi medyo, ayan, yun yung proof na to, medyo computational. So, sinabstitute ko to 9n plus 1. So, yung n magiging ganito. Then, ito, magiging k squared. Itong numerator, magiging k squared plus k. So, pag inano ko na yung 9, magiging 9k squared plus 9k all over 2 plus 1. Dito, LCD. So, ayun, LCD. Pag inad nyo siya, kasi dissimilar fractions to, so you need to use LCD. Tapos, ito. So, you need to factor this. Factor the numerator. So, may technique kasi sa high school. Kapag ganito, pwede nyo i-multiply yung lead. Yung, ano ba tawag dito? Leading coefficient. Tapos yung last term, wait, sige, ano yun natin? So, you have 9 times 2 equals 18. Tapos maghahanap ka ng factors ni 18 na pag inad mo is 9. So, 18 is equal to 6 times 3. And 6 plus 3 equals 9. So, yun kasi yung goal mo mahanap. So, pinag-times ko lang tong 9 and 2, so magiging 18 siya. Tapos maghahanap ako ng factors na 18 na kapag inad ko, dapat maging 9. So, yung 18, 6 times 2. Pero yung 6 plus 3 is 9. So, ayun. So, sinulat ko siya as this, 9k squared plus 3k plus 6k plus 2. So, yung 6k plus 3k kasi 9k lang din yan. Tapos, ito, factor. Pinactor ko tong side na to. Uh, this factor plus ito. So, may ganyan siya. So, factor this, may ganito siya. Tapos ito naman, factor this, may ganito. So, again, high school algebra. High school, ito, equal lang siya dito. And, ayun. So, dahil consecutive to, kasi ito yun 3k plus 1 plus 3k plus 2. It's triangular number na to. Okay na tayo sa 9n plus 1. Kasi ang definition lang naman ng triangular number is dapat consecutive integers all over 3. So, yung k ko dito, my k here is yung 3k plus 1. Ito yung k natin doon, this. Tapos yung k plus 1 ko is of course 3k plus 1 plus 1, which is 3k plus 2. Okay? So, next naman is, dito naman tayo sa 25n plus 3. So, halos same lang. Actually, same lang din ng process. So, substitute nyo lang yung k times k plus 1 all over 2 plus 2. Tapos, multiply. Yes. Tapos, LCD. And LCD ko to. Tapos, same technique dito. So, anong nangyari naman dito is 25 times 6 is equal to 150. 25 times 6 is equal to 150. 150 is equal to 10 times 15. And 10 plus 15 is equal to 25. So, yun ang nangyari dito, guys. Dito sa part mo. So, here. So, pinag-times yung 25, plus yung 6, 150. Maghahanap ako ng factor si 150, na kapag inad ko, dapat 25. So, 150 equals to 10 times 15, plus 10 times 10 plus 15 is equal to 25. So, magiging ito siya. 25k squared plus 10k plus 15k plus 6. Tapos, factor. Okay, factor na tayo, guys. Iwalay ko to. Bulls, bulls. So, by factoring, pwede mo ilabas yung 5k. So, magiging ganito siya, and ganito siya. So, and from high school, kapag may ganyan kang form, pwede mo na siya isulat as ganito. 5k plus 2 and 5k plus 2. Okay? Kasi common naman to eh. Common kasi ito guys. So, ito na yun. Tapos, itong 5k plus 3, ito na siya. Tapos, so by definition, triangular number na to. Kasi consecutive integers to. Yung 5k plus 2, at 5k plus 3, consecutive na sila. So, yung k ko dito, ito na yung 5k plus 3. Tapos yung k plus 1, yung k plus 1, ito na yung 5k plus 2 plus 1, which is 5k plus 3. So therefore, as desired. So therefore, 9n plus 1 and 25n plus 3 are both triangular numbers. So as you can see, yung proof na to is very, ano siya, computational. So be careful na lang sa ano, LCD, factoring, and multiplying. Ayun. And that's it.
Ay, Arin, dali mo na.